This is how to make this iPhone notification animation in Premiere Pro. First, you need to create a rectangular shape. Click the rectangle tool in the toolbar and drag on the screen to create this rectangular shape and make sure it's aligned. Now just increase the corner radius to your liking. And you can also change the fill color to light gray. Now you need app icon. I'm going to put the link in the comment. Then click the app icon scale and position it. When you're done with that, we need to create text. First, click the text in the toolbar and create a text. Now you can type the app name. Apple uses SF Pro display font, but I'm going to use Montserrat regular and bold. When you're done with font, make sure text alignment is set to left. Now set the fill color to dark gray. Now adjust the position. Align roughly with the center of the app icon. Now just hold Alt and copy the text. Make the text now, and make sure text is aligned to the right. Now when you're done with alignment, position the text like mine. Now create another text that says your channel name, and make it bold and position below to other text. Now again, hold Alt and copy the text. Change the text whatever you want, but make sure it's aligned to center and with regular font. Now just click the shape and go to the opacity and make it 75. When you're done with that, select all and make nested layer. Now apply the transform effect on the nested layer. Make sure you are on start of the frame. Then click the stopwatch next to position and create keyframe. Slide up the Y value. Then go 20 frame forward and click reset icon. Then again go 20 frames forward and add a keyframe. Then again slide up the Y value. Select all, right-click and make it ease in and out. Now copy my moves. That's all. Please subscribe.